Hello, this is Ebonygeek. You're always welcome to join me in expanding your knowledge base. Comments are always welcome, and please subscribe. Hello, this is Ebonygeek45. What we're dealing with today is adding a library to Eclipse. I know I have a video out about it already. That was, I believe, adding a servo file to Eclipse, but that was already an existing Arduino file. What we want to do is bring in a user-defined file for the icstation 4x4x4 LED cube, and that's what we're interested in right now. So what we want to do is you want to bring up your Arduino Eclipse version, whichever one you have. You want to open it up. If you don't have it, it's a great IDE to use if you kind of outgrown the Arduino IDE. And you can check out one of the series of videos. They walk you right through adding it. It's a bit of a long process, but the rewards is just great. I love this IDE. Let's go ahead and add the library that we're going to need to use. We continue forward. We are now in our Arduino Eclipse install. We have to start our project. So let's go File, New, File, New Arduino Sketch. We want to name it Adding LED Library. Okay. We want to click Next. Everything should be populated on the screen. We want to click Next. We don't want to do nothing with that, so we want to click Next and Finish. And that's our new project. So when we click on the arrow, we get to our .ini file. If we try, and let's go ahead and double click that. Okay. If we try to add our library, now it's not going to be able to find it. Why? Because it's not added to our Eclipse install here, our Arduino Eclipse install. We got to add it. So what we want to do, let's see here. Go ahead and give yourself some room. Because what your library is going to be is the pound include it double quotes. If you click Control and your space bar, you get all the things that you can include there. And nowhere in there are we seeing the file that we need. As you can see, they're all .h files, because that's our header files. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so we got to get that included in there so we can use it. So we have our include already to add our library or our header file. So what we want to do is go to the location of our files. If you download it, in most cases it's going to be in your download file. It's going to be Arduino 5312 with the brackets and the 1. I've already actually did what we need to do here. When you get your file, it's more than likely going to look like this. What you want to do is you want to add a new folder, and you want to rename your folder. I renamed mine icstation LED Cube Zip. And as you can see, I actually renamed the zip file too. Otherwise, it would have been this name, and those brackets would have caused a problem. So I renamed the folder. I renamed the zip. Now what I'm going to do here, because your libraries, you should really keep it in the same place. So I'm just going to copy this folder. I'm going to go to my documents in Arduino. This is where my libraries are for my Arduino. I'm just going to, let's see here, documents, Arduino. I'm going to paste it in Arduino. As you can see, there it go. Now it's in a place where I could find it because that's where all of my Arduino libraries are. So I'm going to just click on here, and the next thing I want to do is unzip this file. So I'm going to right click it and extract all. It's going to be extracted to this folder, so I'm going to click extract. It's extracted now, and there it go. So I shouldn't have any problems getting into this folder now. So let's go ahead and move this over. Let's move this over. Let's go ahead and move this out the way. And let's move this out the way. Okay. Like I said, if you can trust Control and Spacebar or CTRL and Spacebar, you see your includes is not including what we need here. And disregard this. This is not correct. We want a .h file. So let's go ahead and get it. Let's go File, Import. Import a folder containing source code in the current project. So let's click it. Next. Let's click on Browse. Now we know that it's in our Arduino library. So my Arduino library is in my documents. Arduino. Okay. There go to icstation LED cube zip. Let's click the arrow. Let's click the arrow again. And I believe it's right here. Let's see. Station cube. Okay, it's in the same folder that the examples is in. icstation. Okay. So I want to click on this folder and OK. It says source folder location, so let's finish it. Okay. So if we click in our quotation marks, Control Spacebar, we now have our icstation light cube.h file. There we go. So let's click on it, and our include is included. And now you could go ahead and do whatever coding you want for the icstation light cube.h. I'm going to start mine today. Whatever you come up with, feel free to share it with us so we could go ahead and see what we could do together. Have a great rest of your day. Happy coding, happy tinkering, and thank you for going through this journey with me. Bye-bye. I'm Ebonygeek, and I hope that the information provided has been helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe. Happy building and happy coding.